Today, I provide a quick overview of commercial contracts, what they are, why they're crucial for businesses in the UK, and an example of key agreements your company may need. Commercial contracts are legally binding agreements between two or more parties that outline the terms of a business relationship. These contracts provide clarity, ensure fairness, and help mitigate risks, making them essential for businesses. These business-to-business supply agreements set out the terms under which one party, the supplier, provides goods or services to another, the buyer. These contracts ensure that both parties understand their obligations, timelines, and expectations, such as delivery schedules, pricing, and quality standards. A consumer contract is a legally binding document between a business and a consumer who is an individual acting for personal purposes. These contracts ensure that consumers are treated fairly and protect their rights. A facility agreement or loan agreement establishes the terms and conditions under which one party, the lender, provides funds to another party, the borrower, with the agreement that the borrower will repay the loan over a specified period. They set out key terms such as the loan amount, interest rate if any, repayment schedule, etc. NDAs protect confidential information when sharing sensitive data with suppliers, investors, or potential business partners. It prevents the recipient from disclosing or using the information without permission. Without clear agreements in place, disputes can arise over misunderstandings or unmet expectations. Well-drafted contracts help protect your business from financial loss, legal action, and reputational damage. In conclusion, no matter the commercial contract you enter into, having clear and well-drafted terms is essential for safeguarding your business interests. A strong agreement helps prevent disputes, ensures clarity, and establishes a solid foundation for professional relationships. Seeking legal advice ensures your contracts are tailored to your specific needs and fully compliant with the law.